All right, well, welcome to ZeekBot. This is Paul Langley. I just wanted to give you a quick little video on one of the auctions that I recently won. I was fortunate enough to capture this on video. You can see that there is an auction going on for the Kindle Fire, which retails for $199. Now, one of the reasons that I love the Zeekler penny auction site is that with every one of their auctions, rather than having to take the item and if you don't want it, turn around and try to sell it, they give you a cash out option. So I can say, you know what, I don't want the Kindle Fire, I'd rather just take the cash, which is actually what I did in this particular case. Now I want to show you some parts to the software here. We're going to zoom in just a second. When you become a customer of Zeekler, you will create a username, and in this instance I have the username Dauber1998. You'll also have a password, and this you'll put into the software. You'll say, when do I want to start? At what price do I want to start? How high am I willing to go? You'll also notice that each of the auctions, if you click on that particular auction, there is a specific URL, so you will copy and paste that URL into the software here. You'll also tell it what is the total maximum number of bids you're willing to utilize, and then at what point when the clock goes down, when do you want it to start placing bids? And you have an option between 1 and 9 seconds. Now, based on your particular internet connection, if you do 1 or 2 seconds, that might not be enough. You might have to use 3 or 4. Now, Zeekler offers their own automated system. It's what they call the Automated Bid Executive. But it's a very simplistic form and simply says, it only allows you to say, I want to start placing bids between this price, and this is the total number of bids that I'm willing to utilize. What you'll find is that it simply will place a bid once the clock gets down to about 10 or 11 seconds. Now, the problem with the Automated Bid Executive is that if there are others that are also using the Bid Executive, it will start to go through bids very, very quickly, and we'll show you that here in just a moment. You can see here that DP Kelly 3 is using ABE, or the Automated Bid Executive, and as it gets down to about 10 seconds, boom, there you go. It automatically placed a bid again for that participant. Now, in a little bit here, you'll be able to see what we call a bid war. Here it comes. This is when we have multiple people using the automated system. You'll notice the price is at $36.32, and now all of a sudden we're just going to start going through a bunch of bids because we've got Lake Peach and DP Kelly 3 that are on the automated system. This is a problem because you've paid for these bids, and now all of a sudden you're just racing through these bids, whether you paid 65 cents or $1. You're just going through these. Now, I have fast forwarded to this. You can see that for me, you can see Dauber 1998, the bid was placed, and it will do that as it gets down to around 2 to 3 seconds, which is what I told it to do. We're very close to the end of the auction, and boom, I placed a bid. This is actually the end of the auction, and we'll show you that. Dauber 1998 for $54.83, a savings of $144.17. You'll see the time run out here, and then you'll see that I was the last bidder. You'll also notice that it's almost 2:30 in the morning, which is pretty common for auctions to go that long. I was asleep when this happened. I woke up to notice that, hey, I won the auction. Again, rather than taking the Kindle Fire, I did choose to take the cash out option. They'll send it to either an Alert Pay account or a Solid Trust Pay account. Hope you enjoyed the video, and this is what you have to look forward to with this awesome software program. Have a great day.